Hi guys, this is Joshik here, and today I'm going to show you on how to connect your B57 smartwatch to your smartphone. Let's go. Alright guys, this is Joshik here and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you on how to connect your B57 smartwatch to your smartphone. So now we have here our B57 smartwatch. So I actually unboxed it 2 days ago, and now I'm gonna show you on how to connect it to your smartphone. So now let's have here our smartphone. So let's try to go to Play Store, and if you have iPhone, you can just go to iStore. And what you need to do is you're going to search where okay, so here it's Wear Fit 2.0 for Android. So just kindly install it. Alright, so it's installing now, guys. Okay, so we're kind of open it. Okay, so this is the home screen, and you can see here choices like binding bracelet, third-party login, interdelic. So we have here binding bracelet. So let's click it there. And WearFit 2.0 wants to turn on Bluetooth, and just click on allow. And also location service or your GPS. So let's click allow and start GPS and click it on. Okay. And click search. Alright, so we have here JSW1688 smartwatch. So let's see here. Okay, actually, I have another smartwatch which is the JSW1688, but it's not really compatible because this one is just for B57. But when you try to search it using the Wear Fit 2.0, you can it can actually also detect some devices, but they are not really working. I tried it before. So okay, now we just click on B57. Okay, allow Wear Fit 2.0 to take pictures and record video. Just click on allow. Allow. Okay. Alright. So now, as you can see here in the home screen, so you can see there's sleep, the heart rate, blood pressure, blood oxygen, fatigue, weekly report. Okay, so as you can see here, it recorded our steps, so which is 3,736. And let's move on to the me, and then okay, let's try to check if it's really connected. Okay, so let's see if it's really connected. So let's click on the finding bracelet. Alright, so I'm not sure if you can hear it, but it's vibrating right now. Alright, so okay, so I think that's all, guys. That's how easy it is to connect your B57 or B57 to your smartphone. Alright, so if you have any questions, just comment down below and I will try to answer your questions. Okay, so and again, this has been Josh, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, just click the subscribe button and also the notification bell for you to be updated of the latest as affordable smartwatch gadgets and cell phones. Okay guys, and I'll see you soon.